Good morning, children. Class 10. Let's continue the same chapter, trigonometry. Today we will discuss problem based on verification. Now let us discuss first question. Verify sine 60 equal to 2 sine 30 cos 30 equal to 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Here what to do? We will simplify all the three expressions and find out whether they are equal or not. We know that sine 60, here it is written, sine 60 value in the trigonometric table is root 3 by 2. That's why we have to leave it as it is. Now, 2 sine 30 cos 30. Value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. By simplifying it, we are getting root 3 by 2. You can see it is root 3 by 2. It is also root 3 by 2. Now then, next is 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Here the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 in both numerator and denominator, and squaring we are getting 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3, we are simplifying it. We are getting 4 by 3, which will become 3 by 4, and 2 by root 3 as it is. By simplifying it, we are getting again root 3 by 2. You can see here in all the expressions, they are root 3 by 2. That's why what we say, sine 60 equal to 2 sine 30 cos 30 equal to 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Hence it is verified. Let us discuss next question, question number 2, which is, if theta is 30 degree, then we have to verify sine 3 theta equal to 3 sine theta minus 2 sine cube. Here, theta is 30 degree and left hand side is sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta. 3 into 3 is 9, that is sine 90, and sine 90 will become 1. Value of sine 90 in trigonometric table is 1. And right hand side is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Here theta is 30. You can see here we are replacing theta as 30. Value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 in both the cases. It is 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8. It is cancelled and we are getting 1 by 2. By simplifying it, we are getting again 1. You can see here left hand side is 1 and right hand side is 1. Therefore, what we say, it is also verified. So in this way, we have to verify these kind of questions. Let us discuss next one. And this is question number 3. Here A is given to you 60 degree and B is 30 degree. Then we have to verify sine A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine. And second is cot of A minus B is cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Now number 1 is, as we have A is 60 and B is 30, so we will replace on the left hand side A as 60 and B is 30. By subtracting it, we are getting 30 degree. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2 in the trigonometric table. And right hand side is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Here A is 60 and B is 30. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sine 60 is also 1 by 2. By multiplying both of them, we are getting 3 by 4. And by multiplying it, we are getting 1 by 4. Let us take LCM of both of them. We are getting 2 by 4. And by cancelling it, we are getting 1 by 2. You can see LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence, sine A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. It is also verified. And what about the second one? You can see here left hand side is cot A minus B. Here again A is 60 and B is 30. And by subtracting it, we are getting cot 30 degree, which is root 3. And then right hand side is cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Here again A is 60 and B is 30. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3 and cot 30 is root 3. By replacing the value, we are getting root 3 cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. And by taking LCM, we are getting 3 minus 1 upon root 3. This root 3 will be on the numerator and 2 cancel. Again, we are getting root 3. Means you can see here, left hand side is root 3, right hand side is root 3. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, cot A minus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot B. In this way, we can verify trigonometric questions using trigonometric table. I think it is clear to everyone and you have enjoyed. We will discuss more questions, different type of questions in the next class. Thank you so much.